Hey guys, Matt Hoots here with Sawhorse, and one of the issues that I have with creating this perfect WRB, which is a water-resistant membrane, is when you put this, when you got penetrations in there, you're basically poking holes in that membrane, which is, air can come in, water can come in. Well, this is a really cool solution for that. These are called QuickFlash. You basically have, this is for the HVAC, so you can have your HVAC line set come out of this. It's self-flashed. This basically goes up, and imagine that this is a zip system over here. You tack this up, the line set comes out, and then you just put the tape all the way around it. Perfectly sealed, and any water that comes down it basically can't come in. This looks like it's a self-healing rubber membrane. You can do that and also put a little bit extra sealant around that. If that one doesn't work for you, if you just have like a water or a hose bib coming out, this is a great solution for that. Essentially, you've got this membrane, again, it's self-sealing right here. The pipe can come out, and this is not a pipe, that's my thumb, but the pipe comes out, and you don't have to worry about putting extra sealant in there. So a great way to get the penetrations in your membranes all the way through without having to worry about water infiltration, air infiltration.